Hey, this is Chris, and this is a very beautiful and very practical way to make an awesome waterfall fountain pond. What's been used here is basically sandstone rubble and a couple good pieces of patio flagstone for spillway. Most of the materials in this can be purchased very affordably and installed very easily. There's no huge boulders involved here. You get a quality pond liner, strong pump. It's like they're using about 20 gallons a minute. So you have a very heavy duty pond liner with a deep pit in here. And then stack up your ledge stone and your flagstone. Fill it in with river pebbles and river cobble. Plant some beautiful perennials like this Echinops and Liatris and a native grass and whatever else you like. Flip the switch. And you've got a beautiful waterfall fountain feature in a small area made from basically rock scrap, or if you had to buy it, maybe 2 pallets of ledge stone. Now here they use sandstone ledge stone, but you can use just about any color of ledge stone that you'd like to see your fountain made out of. So a very practical, very efficient way to make a lovely water feature in your garden.